Hi guys, it's Marissa from LittleHouseLiving.com. Today I just wanted to give you a quick overview of our new family closet. This is something that I wanted to do for a while, and I kind of had a version of it when we lived in the RVs, but this is our version of it in a house, and with 5 people in our family I kind of wanted to show you what that looks like. I know that some of you might be interested in having a family closet. Maybe you don't have a lot of space for clothes, or you just want a simplified laundry solution. That is my main reason behind doing this, is because I didn't want to spend any more time on laundry than I really needed to. So I came up with the family closet. So this is our family closet. Everybody's is going to look different. If you read my blog post already about having a family closet, you'll know that we are currently renting this house, so we can't make really big changes or screw things into the walls or things like that. So this is kind of my rather random, but it works for us solution. So this is our closet. This is all of the clothes for our whole family. It's me and my husband, and then we have 3 kids. Each of the kids has their own laundry basket, and that has all of their clothes in it. I have each of the baskets, semi-sorted. So like on this side is the pajamas, the middle is the shirts, and this side is the bottoms. And I have one of those for each kid. And I just picked up these laundry baskets at Target. I liked them just because they were flat on top, and I knew I was going to need to stack them in this closet. Ideally, if this was my house, I would have built something where we could just kind of slide them in and out. That would kind of be better, but this works. So, like I said, each of the kids has their own laundry basket, and that's all of their clothes. They do have one bin up here, and that is undergarments. And then me and my husband each have one of these little dressers. We originally had these for our 2 older boys, but they didn't need them with the laundry baskets because all their clothes fit in there. So this fits, this one is mine, this one is his, and that fits all of our undergarments, pajamas. I have lots of like undershirts and things like that. So socks, everything fits in mine. And then my husband, he folds a little bit more of his stuff, so he put his shirts in his dresser along with everything else. And then you can see we have some hanging clothes. This side over here is my hanging clothes, and then this side over here, my husband's hanging clothes are kind of way in the back. He has the least amount, and then we have a little bit of hanging clothes here, and these are the kids' church clothes. Shirts for the boys and the little bit nicer dresses for our little girl. Then up here, my husband has a few more. I think he keeps his pants folded up here, and this is my sweatpants and clothes that I wear at home. And I have one more bin over in that corner, and just has 2 pairs of shoes in it, because that is the only other pair of shoes that I have besides the ones that I wear during the day. So, and then the last thing we have is we have our laundry basket in here. So after we change it, we can just throw everything right in the laundry basket, and I can haul that out to the laundry. As you can see, this closet really is not that big. It's pretty average size. We don't have any walk-in closets in our house, so this is what works for all of us, and we have just enough clothes to fit it. So this is our family closet solution. If you read my blog post, then you'll kind of know more of the reason why it's in this closet and why we're doing it. But for those of you that might be watching this on YouTube, we decided to do this closet because the laundry in our current house is downstairs and all of the bedrooms are upstairs. So I did not want to have to haul clothes up and down the stairs after I was folding them and trying to put them away. And then my other big reason was that I have 3 little kids, and they make a huge mess of all of their clothes. The older 2 can kind of learn and be taught not to pull stuff out of dressers and put it on the floor, but my 2-year-old hasn't gotten that memo yet. So she likes to play dress up and drag everything out, and then it gets all over the floor, and I have no idea what's clean or what's dirty. So having everything together in an area that is not normally accessible to the kids is something that works really well for us, because it's less mess for me and less time spent on laundry, and I do not want to do any more time on laundry than I already have to do. With this system and with the amount of clothes that we have, I do laundry every other day, and it takes me about 5 minutes to put everything away. I do not fold the kids' clothes. Most of their clothes are they're made from this stretchy material that doesn't really wrinkle anyway. The stuff that I am concerned about wrinkling is the stuff that we hang up. So after I pull their stuff out of the laundry, out of the dryer, then I just kind of make piles of it, of each kid's clothes, and then I bring it right over here and then just sort it right into their laundry bin, and it takes me literally 5 minutes to do put away all of our clothes, hang up anything that needs to be hung up. It's super easy and super efficient, and like I said, for us it's right next to our washer and dryer, so I don't have to haul laundry up and down the stairs. So this is our family closet. If you have any questions, be sure and ask me in the comments of the blog post or of the YouTube video that you're watching, and I hope to see you over on the blog.